Hello and welcome to IMI PBM, a prominent worldwide manufacturer of safe, reliable, high-quality valves. Let's face it, valves and seats wear. It's just the inherent nature of soft-seated valves. Just like the brakes on your vehicle wear over time, so do valve seats and seals. But if you have a process that runs 24/7 and downtime is costly to your organization, then we have a product that you've been waiting for. Most of all, IMI PBM valves feature adjustable sealing technology. Adjustable sealing technology allows you to reseal the valves in the event of leakage, similar to tightening a packing nut on a valve to stop seepage. We apply the same principle to our valves body bolts, which bring the seats incrementally closer to the ball to compensate for normal wear, allowing multiple adjustments over the life of valve seats and seals. Simply innovative. But there is more you might find interesting. This technology works by having the ball compressed by the seats using the force of the valve body bolts, which provides a second benefit, an upstream sealing ball valve. Where traditional ball valves rely on upstream pressure to float the ball to the seats, we bring the seat to the ball. 2 seats, 2 sealing points. True upstream and downstream sealing. Simply innovative. Now you have 2 seats versus 1. Upstream sealing allows the valve cavity to be completely isolated in the ball open or closed position. Have a sticky gooey process? Want to sterilize the valve cavity? Want to flush between batches fast and efficiently? We've got you covered. Add ball drain flats or holes and you can get by with 1 purge point to the valve. Everything gets flushed through the downstream piping. Simply innovative. If you're looking for an innovative solution to costly downtime or need to clean internals quickly and efficiently, look at the benefits of adjustable sealing technology, a standard benefit of using IMI PBM valves.